Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Hopefully, you guys had a great weekend, everything like that. It's Monday, December 1st. We're going to make some money today. I'm excited to be trading with you guys. What a time to be alive. I'm pulling up all my charts here. Uh, Woke up slightly late, not going to lie to you guys, but we're here. We're ready. We ready to get active in the markets today.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, G. Good morning, sir.
All right.
How was your weekend, G?
My weekend was good.
Awesome. We'll take it. We'll take it. It's so crazy that we're literally in the last month of the year.
That's
Like,
crazy. Right. December.
this year flew by so quick.
Yes, it did.
Well, we'll take it. We will take it.
I don't know. I'm looking at the market right now. It's looking like a bullish.
Okay. Well, we'll see what we get.
Hold on. Let me see. Put my chart. Oh, no.
Not the
I'll
no.
take that back. I take that back. I think it should go back up, though.
Well, we came down we got the close from Friday all well above us, so we're going to see what we get. Where's all my stuff at? There we go. Copy link. I've been messing around this morning trying to get an extra stream going today. I think I found out how I'm gonna have to finish setting up tomorrow. Well, tonight or tomorrow. Good to go. Alrighty, well, I'm ready to go now. Finally got everything set up. Time to make some money. We got 7 minutes before market open here, and I'm just ready to hear that bell ring so we could potentially take some longs, take some shorts, and put some money in our pockets. We got holidays to pay for this month, so gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Jimmy T.
Good morning, sir. How you feeling this morning, Steve?
I'm feeling all right.
Well, we'll take it. We will take it, sir.
I miss you guys.
Well, you don't have to miss this any longer.
Listen, you jive turkey. Let's not get sentimental.
Let's not get sentimental.
Let's not get sentimental.
Let's make $1 or $2 a day. We'll gladly take it.
Oh, I did see a little bit of that post that you did last night about the 1-day payouts. Is that something that they're
about to start doing? I saw that.
Yep, they're rolling it out on the 3rd of this month.
So what? It's gonna be a one day payout?
We're going to see. So what it appears to be is going to be similar to like Take Profit Trader, where you can get like 7-day payouts.
Oh, same day payout.
Yeah. So the one day you gotta trade it technically for one day to be able to take a payout. So we're going to see on the 3rd what they're talking about, but thought that was pretty cool.
Where is
Cam? Good morning, Cam. What was that, Steve?
What's up, Cam? Anyway, where the VWAP? Where's the damn VWAP?
I got you. Let me pull it up here. The VWAP currently sitting up at 307.50 for the VWAP. 307.50 for the VWAP.
Thank you.
Close from Friday all the way up there at 484.50. 484.50 is the close from Friday. Yeah, I'm excited now because my chart actually has the pivot points finally. Because I know last Friday I didn't have pivots on my chart. They were messed up because the market was closed. Well, not technically closed, but on Thanksgiving. So my pivots were all off on Friday.
Yeah, I have a pivot at 230.67. I could see right now.
I have a pivot at 346.75 on mine.
Oh, look, you're going above my range. Hang on.
And then 209.25 below us.
We're just gonna have to make it work.
Hey, that we will do. That we will do.
You saw that cooking I did, Duane.
I did see the cooking. It looked amazing, Steve.
Yeah, like on the kids came out on Fridays. So that was just our meal that you saw. But on Friday we did chicken, duck, and ribs.
Nice.
And 3 different cooking vessels, and everything finished at the same time. We sat down to eat.
That's awesome. I had to lock back in, from October. Well, pretty much ever since I went to Portugal, I've been in and out of being like consistent in the gym, how I was before I went out the country the first time. But I got to lock back in. I got to get 20 pounds off by February, which isn't crazy, but got to get it done.
You could do it, big man.
Summon the prize.
I think somebody's speaking in tongues somewhere on this.
I just muted G. That was his background.
It sounded like a Tarantino film in his house. I decided this week, and it's like that I'm gonna at least do like 30 minutes a day of something just to get me going again, because I've been doing projects around the house, so it's not like I'm just sitting, but it's just having that, earmarking like the 30 minutes just for different things is, it just kicks it into orbit.
Yeah. Well, we do have that bear flag right there on the 2-minute.
And you got 30 seconds till market opens, sir. And you have news at 10.
And on the 1-minute as well. Let's open this up as well once it loads. We do have that 10 o'clock news. We have 10 o'clock today, then on the 3rd, 8:15, 9:45, and 10 o'clock. So this week, hopefully we get some good movement. Market's officially open. Finally.
Market is open and you're hoping. Order filled.
No order filled yet, sir. No order filled yet. Let me start looking at other things so I don't try taking a trade right now. You know, gotta love it. Gotta love it. When you know yourself, you know what I'm saying? When you know yourself. Granted, there's not a lot of oomph right now in the market.
I like this speech because it's always like within 15 seconds they'll be like, well, that's $600. Just made a quick 600.
Just a quick 6. Well, there we go. Love to see that. We officially crossed over, people. 81,000 views on the channel in the past 28 days. That's awesome.
That means that some people have heard my voice once in a while.
Yeah, they heard your voice and they're like, we gotta come back. That's awesome. Yeah, 81,000. That's crazy. That's just craziness.
And I did see that you put. I haven't had a chance to watch it, but I did see that you dropped a new video of your vlog, so I want to see that.
Oh yeah, I had to finish working on another one actually. I'm trying to roll out like one a week since I had 4 of them.
Yeah, I saw your girl had like a. I mean, it was just like it dropped and it like went to the page, and she was wearing the helmet to do the zip lining.
Yeah. Yep.
But I didn't have a chance to watch it, so that's something I'm going to do.
Yep, check it out. That's another reason why I'm trying to lose 20 pounds. I was 20 pounds, well, I was 18 pounds overweight. It wasn't strong enough if Moose was in here. The ride wasn't strong enough for me. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't my fault. It was the ride's fault.
It wasn't strong enough. It wasn't them.
Good morning, Moose. I didn't know you were in here.
Yeah, I just got on.
Well, good morning, sir. Yeah, it wasn't strong enough for me. So with that being said, trying to make it a little bit easier for it to support me. Gotta get 18 pounds off by February, be able to do the ride myself.
Yeah, but you gotta get more than that because you're gonna be eating 10-pound meals when you're there. Like you can't just be at the Target and you go eat like breakfast. It's like sorry.
Well, that's why
I'll be back in like 2 hours. I'm gonna go digest.
Well, that's why I said 20. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll have to do it first day we're out there, so that way I can just eat afterwards.
Yeah, it's like right after the plane in. It's like, you want to check in, sir? No. I've been fasting for 36 hours. I'm going to ride that thing.
Pretty much.
Hey, Moose, did you get that stuff worked out on your account? Like, I know it's like ancient history by now, but like...
Yeah, no, they did. So now they sent me a new credit card on Saturday. I got it. They delivered it. But they had charged a bunch of money to my account. And I'm like, bro, I didn't spend that. Like, I don't even use this credit card.
Yeah.
So now they sent me a new one. I was on the phone with them for like 3 hours because, you know, I had to go to different apartments, and I'm like, oh man.
Oh yeah.
But now let's see.
Well, it's like there was like one of my credit cards where it kept happening where it was like they'd start because they'd buy like $1 of gas, and it was always like a place off Colonial. It's like I'd never even like drive down there, you know what I mean, to kind of test it. And then it was like, you know, I canceled that card, and like a week later, it was like the new card was doing it. I was just like, ah.
So the what they did with me was I went to it happened with 2 cards.
Here comes the VWAP top. There we go. Just tap that VWAP.
I went to a gas station in Kissimmee on Earl Bronson.
Oh yeah.
I tapped and they charged me $100. I only spent like $20 bucks on the gas, right?
Yeah.
Like, bro, how did you charge me $100? So I called up and I had to dispute that. They said, oh look, it's gonna be a charge. It's gonna fall off within a couple of days. Okay, no problem, right? I waited for that charge to fall off. It just fell off yesterday. So now, and then the same day or the same night, I didn't realize that they had cloned my credit card.
That's crazy.
Oh, wow, yeah.
That's crazy.
So I'm like, oh man, I said I'll never get gas over there. If I do, it's gotta be cash. No.
Yeah. Fuck it. No, I mean
I don't carry cash and I don't carry cards. Everything's on my phone.
Yeah, but the thing is, what's crazy about that is those people that are stealing would just like start a legitimate business. Like, it's just easy. You know what I mean? It's never easy to start a business, but it's like putting all that resource into ripping people off.
Yeah, absolutely.
If I want to get ripped off, I'll just rewatch what the market was doing the day before Thanksgiving. That sucker was like, it was like testing Duane's like passion for forgiveness, because it's like, you're going long, huh? Watch this.
Yeah, hold my beer. Hold my beer.
Oh, is that a line you drew? Okay, everybody, we're gonna hold on that line. It's like it was like this. It was like during the Revolutionary War, where you have all the troops like, hold the line.
I'm proud of myself. I'm still flat. No trades taken yet, people. Order filled. But we're sitting right below this VWAP currently. Want to see if this is going to be a bull flag for us.
Well, 1 minute is looking like it, but then you see that doji candle on the previous. That was tight as could be. The order filled.
Oh, damn. That shit went up.
Love it.
Oh man.
So I would wait on this thing. My goals, I'm saying it publicly, is just have like, based on Wednesday, I definitely want to have that. I'm going to reaffirm that guardrail.
Yeah.
For like if the things are going south, because that one account didn't go so well, but I didn't trade my others accounts, and I should add more. I should add, just recalibrating that, where it just like at a certain point I'm done. Like,
yeah,
you know what I mean?
No, I feel that one. For me personally, I'm gonna cut my losses earlier this week. As I say that just pulled back on me. Gotta love it. Val gets stopped out. Gotta love it. That's okay. That's just a growth eval. Because I told myself I'm no longer trading my funded before 9:45. And I'll do the reckless stuff in the eval. To save myself the pain.
It's, months ago now, this is going back, you said, come up with a number. Where it just like, if it hits, it's done.
Yeah.
And then, and it just kind of like, it's kind of like, you go through and you do all the reps like for a while, and then you just start throwing the weights around. So I mean, I haven't been diligent on that number. So that's what I'm gonna do now. If lose trade happens, if it ends up over that or at that number, done.
Yeah. But look at this massive pullback right there. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Let's see if we build out a bear flag, because that's a big old pole right there, gentlemen. That's a big old pole. So I want to see us build a bear flag now.
What the fuck?
To take us lower.
It's like Moose was saying, there was a retracement that's happening right now.
The retracement. We do have that pivot point below us. At the 209.50. I want to see a bear flag. That's just me. I want to see a bear flag, people. Let's see if we get it. We got 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes for that 9:45. So that would give us our 15-minute range. Just waiting on that here. I have to get off stream right at 11. I gotta go to the renew my tags today for the vehicle, all the cars. Gotta love it.
Do it online, you silly goose.
I couldn't because I had to go pay E-Pass like thousands of dollars. So I gotta go in person today.
Oh yeah. Oh, your commercial vehicles. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I don't miss being in trucking. You know, having the commercial shit.
But it wasn't too bad this year. Last year we paid like $4,000 in tolls. Because our bank is so frustrating. Like, because I had it set where it like auto like refreshes your account, like putting more money in.
Yeah.
But it was putting so much money in so quickly, the bank thought it was fraud. So then I didn't know. So in my head, it's a set and forget. You know what I'm saying? Like set and forget. It'll auto replenish. I never have to look at this again.
Yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't the case. Like we ended up having to pay like $4,000 last year, and then this year we only had to pay like $1,000. So we're going in the right direction.
Yeah.
Looking at this, so the pivot points aren't lining up completely. So on Ninja, we got pivot at 230.67. On Trading View, it's at 209.50.
Yeah, I
so
got the 230.67.
Yeah, I don't really like that they're off so far.
At least the VWAP is, you know, in the range, because that's when it really gets wacky. You're like,
Yeah.
You went for the VWAP. I'm like, in what world are you looking at?
Yeah. What's up, our world? Good morning, sir. Oh. Less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes for that 15-minute range to be completed. We are coming on down here. We did not get like a legit bear flag, which is slightly, I wouldn't say annoying, but beggars can't be choosers. We went through the pivot.
We want our A++, please.
I tried doing a quick scalp right there for $150. Lost $60 on it. That's crazy. I closed at 150, but it pulled back super quick. We tapped that pivot on the Trading View.
Oh, okay. I need to draw that in. What was that, like 216 or something?
209.25. 209.25.
I'm gonna draw that in, man. That's
Yeah, we reacted off of that one, not the one on Ninja. Hopefully tomorrow, with the markets being open, hopefully tomorrow all the pivots and stuff will be all in one again.
Yeah, you know that's always what happens, man. It's like, you know, the next day it like syncs up.
Yeah, like yesterday with Thursday, that kind of messed everything up. So from our lips to God's ears, that tomorrow everything will be in unison again.
Hallelujah.
We're getting this big old wick, getting that big old wick on the 5 minute there. We rejected off of that 209.25. So we're just waiting to see what we get here. It is 9:45. We got news at 10.
No, I'm not gonna get too worried about jumping in just yet because it's kind of got a little bit of manic energy.
Yeah. All right, so the bulls are trying to push this to engulf the previous candle right there. Wow, look at that. That's a big rejection right there. Crazy. That's a 60-point swing, 60 plus more swing right there,
Yeah,
off that pivot.
And it's after the 15-minute range it did that. Like, what?
Yeah, I think we have some news.
We got news at 10. We got news at 10 a.m.
Yep.
But just that quick swing right there, I don't like that. I do not like that.
Does anybody have any sun by their house? Any of the local people out here?
Sun? Got some. It's not crazy cloudy, but it looks slightly gloomy.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's just not breaking through over here.
Okay. There, through the pivot point right there, gentlemen. Through the pivot point.
Who needs a VWAP?
Straight craziness.
We're at that whole number. Might be rebounding there.
Man, tired. Long day already.
I needed to finish above that. Yep, keep going up, keep going up.
Come on, tell it, baby, tell it.
Yeah. It listens to you, G. The market listens to you, sir.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, keep going up, baby. Let's go up, let's keep going up. Let's keep going up, baby. Let's keep going up. All right, that's 1140 right there.
We'll take it. Good job, sir. All right, breaking out the 15-minute range. Look at that.
That's 1140 right there.
Let's wait for that retest. All right, there's the retest that quickly. Wasn't expecting to go that quick, but all righty. We have a pivot point above us. Pivot above us is currently sitting at 347. 347 for the pivot above us. Are we going to get a bull flag? I want to see a flag here, people. I just want a flag. That's it.
The 1 and the 2 minute are starting. Looking pretty close, actually.
Ooh, starting to go back down. It's doing this little retrace.
We got news at 10 a.m., gentlemen. News at 10 a.m., so keep that in mind. Don't be in trade at 10. Or if you do, be careful.
Very careful.
Very, very careful. Is everyone ready for Christmas? Like, it is literally this month, which is crazy to say.
Yeah, it's not really. I haven't. I just did one Christmas shopping yesterday.
Huh?
One item.
Ooh.
But I usually wait till like last minute.
Live.
I don't know why.
Yep. Well, nowadays, I just order everything off Amazon.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, like, today, me and my girl are going to sit down and we're going to order everything for the kids and be done. Quick and simple. Welcome, everyone, tuning in on all the streams. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We're currently waiting for a flag here. We have news at 10 a.m. Keep that in mind if you're trading in the markets currently. I want to see this momentum get through the yellow line. I put the line on the chart, of course. It wants to play.
So you're doing chest and tries today?
Today is chest and tries. I had to head to the gym after the DMV a day.
You'll probably want to work it out after they okay.
No, it shouldn't be that bad today. I'm thinking about renewing for 2 years, so I don't even have to think about this next year.
All right, we're going through the top, baby.
I should have closed.
It's not really wanting to be outside of the range, man. It goes up and it's like, yeah.
Well, we keep testing it right now. We keep testing it.
And when you're not,
it's gonna go up, but the fucking retrace is crazy.
That's right.
We need a rocket ship. I want a rocket ship.
This is like a wet piece of bread right here. Come on.
We popped out once again. Come on, Bulls. Get me out of this trade.
For real. And when you get out, that shit hits like home runs. You're like, God damn it.
Strong push back right there.
That's my concern. It's really willing to go short.
Ah, that's crazy. I closed out again in the slippage. All right, so we're testing that low from. All right, there we go. Popped above the low from Friday.
Yo, what a pain in the ass. I went to get out at 170 and I got out negative $11.
that literally just happened to me as well. So you're not alone, sir. You're not alone.
What I love about Moose always has these odd numbers. Like, it's not like $5. It's like $4.72. It's like, whoa.
No, mind you, right now was $11.52. I'm like, what the
you just buy yourself a quarter pounder, sucker.
Yeah,
would cheat. Right? 11.52. I'll be right back.
I pre-ran this one. We got that pivot point above us.
Was it 43 or something like that?
I'll be able to check again in 1 second here, Steve. Waiting to see if I'm able to get out of this trade in the green here.
Yeah, no. First things first, baby. You take care of what's important.
All right, so we're up $60. That felt like way too much to get that $60. Not gonna lie to you guys.
But where else could you do that?
347. 347 is that pivot point.
Okay, 347.
Yes, sir.
Well, that 5-minute candle is gonna close in 15
seconds.
Yeah. So it's just like, hopefully we'll have a clean break out of this zone.
Oh, it's breaking, baby. It's gonna break.
Come on, Bessie. Come on,
Bessie. Oh yeah, let's go. Come on.
There's the pivot point.
Let's go.
There's the pivot.
Let's go. Yeah, that's 11. Another 11. Let's go. Shit. I'm not playing.
Are you funding it?
That's awesome.
Yeah. Let's go.
Well, hopefully everyone on the other streams are enjoying the trading session like G is today.
I think G's winning. Like he's just like fucking killing. I love it.
We got a target at 378. So that's the next target that I'm looking for.
There is a pivot point on my Ninja at 357.
Yep, I see that as well on my Ninja as well. So our Ninjas are in line.
All right, so
There's that 357.
Yo, G, how many contracts you doing?
2.
All of them.
All of them.
Yeah, hey, listen.
All of
If
them.
I did 4, that would have been $4,000. Almost. Damn near. I did 2.
You said all of them. Yo, bro, this is the problem that I follow G's advice and then I'm like, shit. G, why did you do this to me?
4 more minutes. 4 more minutes till the news comes out. 4 more minutes, gentlemen. So keep it safe. We're coming up to that 378.50. That was my first target on the chart.
Oh man, I just closed and I went from $210 to $35. What is with this slippage?
What is it with these numbers?
I'm telling you,
We
we
all
all get together after this and buy each other lunch. You know what I mean?
Real.
All right, so we did tap that 378.50 level. I would not take it long until we get above that 378.50 because it literally just rejected. Let's see if we build out a bull flag. News in 3 minutes. News in 3 minutes.
Oh man.
Yeah, I'm drawing in the other pivot points, so thank you for calling them out.
No, I got you. I got you.
Cause it's just like that. That's some kind of sneaky right there. You have like it's like a, you have this snag that some people are seeing and trading off of, and it's not on my screen. That's not good.
Yeah. Next pivot above is at 423.25. 423.25 for the next pivot above us.
Well, the Duane that I know,
2 more minutes
he's-
news.
Yep.
Yeah, the Duane I know is waiting for A++ only because it's getting closer to top of the hour. Not only is it top of the hour, but it's also news.
We got news. I'm hands off right now.
Like it looks like he has his arms tied behind his back, gentlemen. I mean, it's like it looks like they're not even on the desk. He couldn't even reach a mouse. It's like you got your hands at your side, like it's like a quick draw at this point.
We came right back down to that pivot on the trading view at the 347. Are we building out a bull flag up here to take us higher? We are below the close from Friday. We are below the close from Friday.
Damn, so that's good. I did 11 for 1.
Nature boy.
Bro.
It is what it is, brother.
But that was on my growth account, so I'm good.
Oh, that's
They're
awesome.
growing just fine, dude.
What's the size of the growth account?
50.
Nice. So you're almost funded?
Yeah, I'm almost there.
Nice.
That's awesome, G.
Yes, sir. Good job, G.
Congrats, G.
Keep up the hard work, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me rotate. Let me go to a different account
so
here.
I'm like on my regular one, I'm like $600-700 to get a funded on that one.
Yeah. What do you mean? What do you mean? What regular one?
The advanced.
Oh yeah.
5 seconds till noon.
And make sure if you're trying to keep that advanced account, right? Just make sure you. Oh, there's the news. There is the news. So much news there. My trading view didn't even do anything. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Right now.
I have the next generation of bars, Renko, so mine get like longer, like based on the volume. So I could tell that there's more volume going right now.
Well, let's see how all this settles here. Probably going to retest that pivot point below us. 347. Potentially, let's see. Want to get above that first target. That first target was up there at 378.25. 378.25. So gotta see. Probably not Nature Boy. But we'll see. You never know. You never know, sir. All right, there's that 378. I want to see us push through here. We need some solid momentum right now. I need some solid momentum. Let me actually size down in this account. Not trying to get any boo-boos today. I'm so excited to go to the DMV and renew these tags. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like the highlight of my day today. You know. Let's go, market. Show us something here. Show us something. G. Well, I think G, you already heard about Moose. I'm not sure if you heard. We officially crossed over 81,000 views on the YouTube channel.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? Like, all because of you guys. Without you guys, there would be no channel. So thank you, everybody.
Yes.
That's awesome.
You got your dusty black t-shirt on. Are you holding some loot?
I think so, but you know, who knows?
You're gonna give all your loot to the. You're gonna carry the bag for the DMV, man.
Well, I got renewed for 10 vehicles, so that's always fun. Like when I go in there renew my tags, people look at me all crazy because they're like, "How many?" I'm like, "Yeah, 10." Like, oh God. But since I've done it so many times now, I know the process. So we went to the E-Pass last Friday, took care of everything with them, so that way we could go in tomorrow, well today, with no issues.
Yes.
Dang, cuz she's going down, huh?
Nature Boy, soak it all up, brother. You'll learn something. I promise you that. You will learn something. Want to see this flag, but right now we're below the pivot on trading view. So I'm like, are we getting ready to come down and retest the high of that 15?
While we're waiting on that, can you give me the top and the bottom of the 15?
Yes, sir. Let me pull it up 1 second. The high for the 15-minute range, 322. 322 for the high. The low of that 15 is 209.25.
Okay, cool. I'm close. All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I want a flag. I need a flag. From my lips to God's ears, hopefully we get a flag here. Let me bring this over here just in case we start getting wonky. Yeah, as soon as I put the line, it dropped below the line. So you gotta love it. You gotta love it. It's almost like I did it on purpose.
You did.
Nature Boy, since you're soaking up game, what are you trying to learn how to trade? Are you trying to learn how to trade futures, forex? What were you interested in trading? All right, so we're below this pivot. We're playing on this pivot point on the trading view. So I don't know how I feel. Like right now, I feel like we're in a chop area, being completely honest with you guys.
I would say that's a good assessment.
Oh man.
Uh-oh.
No.
Oh, okay, we're good. We're good.
Just waiting.
We're all just waiting. We are passing through the top of this yellow line, but I moved up a little bit more because I'm not overly excited about it.
Yeah, I could tell by your voice.
Okay, Nature Boy. Have you looked into what platforms you want to trade on? I need the move. I want the move here.
You know what? That's a universal feeling right now, Duane. I hate to break it to you, but we all need to move.
Come on, Nasdaq. Shoot on up, baby. Come on, baby.
Talk to a G.
Oh, let's go. Keep going, baby. All right. Doing a little retrace. Not worried about that. It's going up.
It wants to.
Oh,
It
will.
needs to.
It will. I believe that.
Closed out, but I don't know how I only got $100 on that. But okay.
Come on, let's get to that 380. I think it's gonna go to that 400.
And sure enough, there it wants to go.
Duane's
Quick
trading
100,
micros,
but
he just doesn't know it. Oh, I made $16.
I made $16. Just depend. Nature Boy, just depends on what like market you're trying to trade. If you're trying to trade like the New York session for the U.S., it would be the same as what we're trading. If you're trying to trade the European, your session, it's the same, just a different time. You know what I'm saying? So it just depends. There's that coming up to that first target. That area is acting as resistance. That 378.25 area acting as resistance. So glad I kind of closed out, even though like I wanted more. Not trying to fight it today, just trying to go with it. Because this is looking like a big old right here, a bear flag. If I move that yellow line, that top one, we got the pull, we got the push up, but we'll see. And looking at these wicks on the 2-minute, we got tons of selling pressure up here. Tons of selling pressure.
Well, look at that! Look at that previous candle. It's looking doji, man. It was like compressed to the middle. Look at the 5-minute. Interesting.
Well, y'all don't want to push it up. That next candle. Yep. Come on. Watch. Shoot up. Come on. Shoot up, baby. Shoot up.
Come on, baby.
Oh. Yeah. Take it way up and down.
Oh, goodness. Come on.
I already know when I close out of this, it's going to do what I want it to do.
It's just so annoying.
This is so annoying.
Annoyed.
No, it ain't the word. Let's get over that 380.
Listen,
And like Dwayne said, he goes out and it goes fucking 4,000 points. And you're like, God damn it.
Oh, it's shooting up. Oh.
Let's go.
Let's see if we're finally going to punch through down here. If not, I'm just going to get out. Because I'm not feeling the price movement. Let's go, Betsy. Give me what I've been waiting for.
what you've been waiting for.
Come on. There we go. That's a good one.
You took a sell?
I just closed out, but yeah, I was targeting that below us because for me it was looking like a bear flag.
Yeah.
And it decided to fly around for a while, but then
It did. Nature Boy, just see my bad. When I'm locked into a trade, right? I'm not looking at the chat, being completely honest with you guys, because I'm over here sweating. I'm holding the wall, trying to stay in these trades. We use, everyone on the stream that you hear talking, we use prop firms. So we trade futures. So we're trading like the NQ. Some people trade gold, all that great stuff for futures. Our strategy, everything like that works for Forex, works for any type of commodity. Doesn't matter what you're trading, you can use the strategy. But we use Tradeify. You can use the code LWS to get the cheapest price that they got. But we trade through Tradeify. And some of us, we trade with a couple others as well. I don't know why. I'm still bearish, gentlemen. It's weird. We're up here, but I'm still slightly bearish. Yeah, I'm only bearish because look at these polls.
Look at the wick on the 5-minute candle, though. That's not.
Yeah, that's true. On the 5-minute, I'm looking at the 2. But on the 5-minute, we do have these 2 wicks on the bottom.
Open up your eyes more, jive turkey.
But we have more wicks on top than below. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like there's still a lot of selling pressure. That's just me. That's just me.
I feel it's like a chop zone right now.
Yeah. Well, it's 10:17.
Back and forth on the volume right now.
We gotta wait. We gotta be snipers, gentlemen. We gotta wait for the perfect time.
I feel like it's gonna go up ultimately, but it's right now like the retracements are crazy.
Like for me personally, I don't want to take long until we get above that 378 level. That was the first target above the 15-minute range. 378.25. Until we get above that, I'm not trying to go long. Because we keep rejecting up there.
Mm-hmm.
And if we get below this pivot, below us, if we get below this 346.75, if we get below that pivot point, then it's looking like a sell. And I see a bear flag try and print. Let's jump over to the 1 minute as well. That's a bear flag right there too. So on 2 charts, we got bear flags. Pow. That's on the 1 minute, the 2 minutes trying to print. The 5 minutes, the only one that's like, we just don't know. On the 2 minute, the 1 minute, it's trying to show a potential bear flag. Well, let's see what happens. Until we get above that first target, I'm not looking for longs. And that's just me. You guys do what you guys want.
We're doing what we want.
Do not get chopped up. It ain't worth it. Nature Boy, are you currently trying to trade with your own money, or are you trying to trade like with a prop firm? If you're still in here. Oh, this is so tipsy, but we're right above this pivot point. So I'm like, do I even take the short? Because, all right, there's the pivot point almost touched. Keyword almost. We're like right above it.
So 42 is the pivot point that's not showing, right?
The pivot point is at 47.
47. 347.
347's the pivot. That's not showing on Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader's 10 points higher, which is crazy. Okay. My recommendation, have you traded before? If not, I recommend you trading with the prop firm, because you learning how to trade with your own money, I never recommend. All right, so just lost that pivot point. Just tap the 21 EMA, which was right below us as well. Are we getting ready to come down to the high of this 15-minute range? Let's see how we react. Ooh, Nelly. Ooh, Nelly. I did not get filled. Oh, that's crazy. I got filled after. I may kill this one because I didn't get the fill when I wanted to go in. Let's see. Hopefully I don't get my face ripped off here. I didn't have enough time to close it out.
That's an unsettling thought, by the way, just so you know, your face ripped off. I mean, that'd be like pretty brutal.
Need the bears to take us lower here. We're consolidating. Come on, Betsy. Take us lower. We keep tapping this 21 EMA. Yeah, not liking this consolidation.
The Duane Broom that I know is looking for it to turn into a flag so he can write it down.
Well, I was trying to jump in. I saw a scalp. I got the blue line. I didn't have enough time to click it off.
I know, I saw it. That happened to me once already today, where it was just like, I don't know why it's being so wonky. I don't know if it's like a Ninja Trader thing, since things are off.
Oh my god.
Nothing.
Oh
Moose is loving it.
No, I'm just watching and waiting and waiting and waiting, and I'm like, oh my god. Listen, I'm determined to get a payout at least this month. I do good, and then when it comes to like the funded, I blow it. I'm like, what the fuck, man? Why? So this time I gotta take it easy.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Alrighty, well, close that. We tapped the high of the 15. We're coming down to the VWAP as well. We got the all right, there's the VWAP tap as well right there. VWAP was at 309. Well, we'll definitely take that. Not bad. Not bad there, but your boy's over here sweating. I feel like Moose right now. My palms are sweaty.
Sweaty feet, sweaty palms.
No, it's whenever you don't get filled. Like, I feel like those are the trades that you always lose. Well, whenever you see that blue line, like, for me personally, those are normally trades that I lose because I didn't get the entry I wanted.
Oh yeah. It's always like the volume passes and you're like low man on the totem pole, so you get in at a horrible time.
Let me check this real quick.
Check it.
Alrighty. Well, we'll see. Like, if we get another opportunity, I may take another trade, but that last fill did not make me feel good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Not gonna lie to you, gentlemen.
Well, I saw it. I happened to be looking at the screen when it was blue, and then like when it reversed and it put you in, it's like, thanks a lot.
It's annoying. It's annoying because what happens too, right? Sometimes I'm extremely fast with it. Sometimes I'm not. So in that situation, I froze. So I saw the blue line and I froze for a second because I mentally didn't process it right.
Yeah. Well, for me, it's like, you're already in, and it's like, maybe it'll just like put you in. So you're like, okay, let's see. And then it's like, okay, it's too long. And then it puts you in.
Yeah. Oh my God. Woosahs. Like, Jesus. But we'll take it. We will definitely take it. I'm still dumbfounded that we hit over 81,000 views.
That's awesome.
For the past 28 days. Mind you, we just started taking this serious in August.
Yeah.
Like the YouTube side. Tonight, for everyone that's new in here, we got the Traders Hangout. This night's going to be a crazy week. Well, this week, because I'm going to be doing the Traders Hangout Monday through Friday this week.
Oh, my goodness.
I know. I'm a wild man. I'm a wild man, people.
He is a wild man.
That's what helps. You heard, Duane?
What?
I believe that's what helps a lot from the views.
Oh, 100%. Like, my average Traders Hangout, we've been doing about over 7 hours of watch time.
Nice. That's good.
Like, during the stream. You know what I'm saying? Look, we got another bear flag printing. Let me actually rotate. Which account am I going to rotate to? I'll rotate to that one.
Now?
Huh?
How many accounts do you have now?
Not enough.
Not enough. Not enough.
Where's this account? I hate when I'm looking for my accounts because with Tradeify, they don't take off like your old accounts.
Oh yeah, no, I know.
So like you have to go comb through your account numbers.
Yeah, and it's like when you put it into the trading view or the trading panel, like the last four numbers are like you can't see. So it's like,
yeah,
oh, this is great.
Andre, good morning, sir. Welcome, man. How you feeling today? Your boy's over here making a couple dollars. But I'm sure you've already hit like $10,000 for the day. You and Mr. G, because G's been making that money today as well.
Yo, where is G?
Right here.
Yeah, he's in here. He's quiet.
He's counting all his stacks right now.
We're currently we're in the 15-minute range again. But we're right here right at the high of it. So, awkward spot. Want to see us get like a waterfall here. But we got the VWAP below us. So I want to get below that VWAP, which is at 310. 310 for the VWAP. So we're just waiting. We're just waiting, people. Andre made $2,800 last night. You're crushing it, man. You're crushing it. Good job. Make sure you're putting all these wins in the discussion so everyone can see and celebrate your wins with you. Come on, Betsy. We got that long wick there on the 2-minute chart on that candle right there. So doesn't give me the warm and fuzzies. I wanted the warm and fuzzies, but that's not giving it to me. I have to see an A++ setup for myself to take another trade here.
Well, it's like I'm looking, and it's like, it's near the top of the 15. It's got the EMA above it.
Yep.
Wackadoodle.
We rejected off of the VWAP. So we went down, we tapped that VWAP, but we rejected off of it there. So that's why I'm not like over feeling anything right now because of that rejection. No one likes to see a rejection, you know what I'm saying? Or be rejected. Let me draw. Let me doodle. Let me come down here and doodle. Keep me out of trading here. Is everyone feeling good on the streams? Legacy, is everyone good today? I know the Legacy's great.
We're good. We're good.
We're just waiting for some movement, man.
We're all waiting. We're sitting right at the high of this 15. And the way we rejected off that VWAP, I'm like, I don't like it, people. I don't like it. I want to get away from this high. So it doesn't matter if we keep going higher or we keep going lower. I just want to get away from the high of this 15-minute range right now.
I agree. You know, you got the high, and then you have the EMA on 21 on the long side, and then the VWAP on the low side. So it's interesting.
Yeah. We're consolidating right now somewhat as well on the Renko bars. I want to see us get below that VWAP because you know what happens when we're below the VWAP, people? We start looking for those bear flags. All right, there's the VWAP tap once again. We keep tapping it. Are they going to have enough to get through it? That's the question. Because I feel like we're primed for a nice waterfall. You know what I'm saying? Because we popped out the high of this 15, but we haven't gone below the 15 yet. All right, we're below the VWAP now.
Got the whole number now.
Good call out, Steve. I was not paying attention to that. Thank you.
Bitcoin. Oh. 100.
I closed at 185 and it closed at -10.
Well, there's 460 right there.
That's a 460 Magnum.
So up for the day between just on two of these accounts, over $1,000. Not too shabby for Monday. We got news on the 3rd and the 4th of this week. OTK, welcome. Yes, I remember you.
OTK
You were on the stream. You were on the stream on Saturday.
Oh, you were streaming on Saturday?
I did a poolside hangout on Saturday. If you miss it, you miss a fun little time.
Well, can you imagine like what I was doing with the cooking and stuff? So maybe it's an even trade. Jive turkey. And Dwayne, you be loving that stuff, like the full Dutch oven cooking, all the, I mean, carnivore stuff.
No, 100. My girl, she does the Dutch oven as well, and when she puts certain meats in there, it comes out where it just falls apart.
Yeah, and I was doing that in a fire pit. So you take the coals on the bottom, build a coal fire, put it on the top.
Yeah.
You heard the sizzle. You heard the sizzle.
Oh, I heard the sizzle, sir. I heard it. I did hear it. Well, we're below the VWAP. We almost came down and tapped the middle of that 15-minute range. We had a small bear flag print. I want to see a big bear flag. I need a big bear flag right now, people. We need the momentum. I want to see some momentum. Let's see what we get here. OTK, are you trading today? Or are you just chilling?
Man, just coming right back up.
We're trading the NQ, sir. We're trading the NQ. Look at that. Bull's trying to push. Not too concerned because we got to go up before we go down. That's what they say for the bear flags. Let's see if we get some structure.
Brought it all the way up to that EMA, man. That's incredible.
But the only thing I don't like, we got that long wick on that previous 2-minute candle. That's the only thing that I'm like, that I don't really like.
Guys,
popping out of the 15 as what was that?
Come 10:45, I gotta go.
All right, hey Moose, man, that's the best kind of day, brother.
Thank you, appreciate you.
At 11 o'clock, I gotta go because I gotta go to the DMV and renew all these tags.
You
so excited
about it. We all wish we could go to the DMV, but
right? You know what I'm saying? I know, like, you guys are jealous right now that I have to go and you guys
bring
don't.
That checkbook, baby. Woohoo!
You know. Just waiting to see if we get another play here before 11. I'm honestly not pushing since we're up over $1,000 for the day.
Well, look, Moose needs to have a play, so we are pushing, okay?
For all the new people jumping in on the stream, did you guys have a good weekend? Yeah, baby. The appointment's at 12. Yeah. I put it for 12 so I had enough time from the stream. Okay. All right, so we're above this 15-minute range here. Millionaires jumping in the markets. We do have that pivot point right above us, 347 for a pivot point above us. So be careful.
I do see that. I have it, the 347 I have on my chart right now that I put in, as a line. So
yeah.
And then you have that weird double vision thing above it, which makes it kind of interesting.
Yeah, honestly, for me, to take along at this point, it's either we got a scalp up to the 378.25 or not even take along until we get above it.
I mean, I think that's the smart way to go, is at least get up to that 378. Look at those wicks on a 2-minute. They were just terminating up there. Or the 5-minute.
Bulls are trying to push. Bulls are pushing.
Oh, yeah.
But every time we get up to that 378, we reject.
Yep.
So that's why I'm like, I'm not even entertaining anything until we get above that. Yeah, at this point, since we are up over G for the day, Just gonna wait. Just gonna wait. No reason to rush.
You know what? Even if you're not up over a G, it's wise not to rush.
Yeah, even if you're not, I'm just saying. For me personally, I'm not trying to rush anything a day. Like, look at that wick on just that 2-minute candle after popping through that pivot point. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're in a chop area right now. So be careful, people. Be careful. Almost like I need to like sit on my hands right now because I see the Renko bars moving, and the Renko bars sometimes makes me want to jump in. The Renko bars sometimes give me FOMO. Not gonna lie, because when you get hyper focused looking at them, you see the ups, the downs. Like, oh, that would have been a nice little trade right there.
Yep, that's it.
Let me just drink some water. Let me do something other than looking at these charts.
Drink the water.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie. Come on.
Give us something good.
Let's see where your doodle's at. Okay, I'm looking at your 2-minute. Interesting.
Interesting. It looks like a bull flag's trying to print.
I do see that. But I
on
also
the
see
on the 2-minute.
On the 2-minute candle, the previous, look at that that selling pressure that just like brought it right down.
Yeah.
Like if it needs to, like you said, it needs to get up into that range around the 80s and do something there, because otherwise it's just definitely chopping.
Yep. We're currently chopping. There's the high of the 15 right there. Alrighty. Are we going to come back down to this VWAP?
Coming down to
VWAP's currently sitting at 310.50. 310.50 for the VWAP.
310.47 and 310.91 on the 1 minute.
We got about 15, well, technically 17 more minutes. And then I'll be getting off, gentlemen. Tonight we have the Traders Hangout 9:30 actually tonight. Not 9:15 like usual. 9:30 at night, Traders Hangout. So if you want to hang out, come talk, vibe. Won't be trading, just talking, having fun with you guys. Make sure you guys tune in tonight. OTK, it will be at 9:30 tonight. 9:30 tonight for the Traders Hangout.
Eastern Standard Time.
Eastern Standard Time. Thank you, Steve. We officially crossed over 81,000 views for the past 28 days. So thank you, everyone. I'm going to keep thanking you guys because without you guys, we won't be putting up those numbers. So truly excited because we just started taking YouTube series back in August. And we've been growing ever since. So
Growing and glowing.
Would show up. Well, if you want to come hang out, man. All right, that bull flag tapping that yellow line I put on the chart right there.
Wait, let's see that. Are you going to remove that so we can all trade, or are you just going to hold the whole market?
I'm going to hold the market for a little bit.
Guys, I got to go. It was good.
All right, Moose, have a good day.
Have a good day.
Easy, Moose.
Bye, guys.
I already secured my rental car for my trip up to Boston later this month. I'll be up there for about a week. So we will be trading from Boston into this month. So that should be fun. Your boy, your boy.
Far to the car, and then you'll go far.
Yeah, we're gonna go far in the car. I made sure to get all-wheel drive just in case it snows, because I was driving through snow the last time in a two-wheel drive car up there. Not fun.
No, yeah, it was like Dukes of Hazzard, man. You're just like, just the good old Duane.
We were sliding everywhere. It was kind of scary, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie.
They called it a street takeover because you were just doing so many donuts. No, it's just me, man. It's just because it's snowing.
So I got all-wheel drive Porsche. So we'll be having some fun.
What is going on with this? Duane, tell it something.
I have the line on the chart. That's the issue, gentlemen. If I remove the line, you'll see something crazy. But right now, it's looking like a lot of sellers trying to step in, but I just don't like this area that we're chopping in.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the zone, since the market opened, there's kind of like a high side, and it kind of settled into like a lower channel, but it just kind of like there's the momentum is.
Yeah, we're gonna see what we get. Like I said, I'm not rushing anything for the rest of this session. For me, I had to get off at 11, and I'm already up for the day. So unless it's a super clean setup, I'm not going to execute any other trades. But just looking at this right now, on the 2-minute, that's looking like a small little bear flag. But then we come over here to the 1-minute, and it's not showing the same. So tip for you guys, always look at other time frames to see if you see a flag. Because when you see flags across a couple different time frames, those are good flags to take. Just saying. When you only see a flag on one and not any others, that's when it's like, no, thank you.
Well, it's just showing like the 1 minute, it has all that noise, but you can see the chop. So that's what I like about it. It's kind of a bit, like it's just moving sideways like that. It's like, okay.
Yep, chopping, but we do have this long pole right here. We did have to push down for a potential bull flag to take us higher, but my only issue is we're below this pivot point. I want to see us get above that pivot and above that 378 level for me to want to take any longs.
I agree on that completely. I'm looking at it. That's exactly like what I'm seeing. So I'm glad that you kind of mentioned it, because it's sometimes it's the trades you don't take. You know what I mean? To be honest with you.
Oh, 100%. 100%. Listen, you not taking a trade, that's probably one of the best skills you could give yourself for trading.
Oh yeah, no, and I kind of this week, because I had the day off on Friday because I was camping. It was okay with Duane, so I wasn't being lazy. But like and subscribe for more of the saga. But
for more of the saga.
I wanted to come back fresh and just reaffirm. I guess it's like a reaffirmation of like having guardrails and being strong. But it's like my profit factor is 4.73 right now.
No, that's awesome. That's literally awesome.
So, I mean, I just need to like parlay that. And, I want to protect that, because having that, just taking the right trades, even though they're, it's like, yes, there's people that might pass me on certain things, but if I can get that surety in it,
Was that in your personal that you've been trading on?
On the personal that goes through Tradeovate, so I don't know how to see those stats there yet. So
okay,
that's on my eval.
Well, what I know I've been saying I'm gonna do it. I'll make sure it gets done for you guys. To walk you guys through how to use Tradeovate. If you're trying to trade on Tradeovate and how you can see your stats on Tradeovate, everything like that.
Yeah, I mean, I was able to kind of get in through some of the stuff, you know, obviously to fund the account and like look at the balance, but I didn't see any like charts or anything.
Yeah. All right, so that bull flag is starting to push up. We're above that pivot point. For me personally, try taking a trade before you get to the 378 if you're scalping up towards it. Because at that 378 level, we've been selling off. So and we're starting to creep up here. We're starting to creep a little bit. All right, there's that 378. We pushed through that 378. The highs for this session so far is 389, 389. All right. All right, just made a new high right there. Let's see how we react up here. All righty. Close. We do have a pivot point above us. 423, 423.
And we're going to be hitting that whole number in a second.
Let me rotate.
Like to see a flag.
Let me rotate. I'm going to rotate to another account just in case. So lock in the profits on the other account by not taking any more trades on it. Let's see what we get here. I got 7 minutes to possibly take a trade.
Well, you got a bull flag forming on the 1 minute. If you're feeling optimistic.
Yep, looking at that.
Yeah, and the 1 and the 2 minute candles are going to be closing at the same time, which is, you know, kind of cool. Get like a fresh read.
All right, sorry, get that bullish style flag. Oh, nope. Bull stepped in right away there. We have that pivot right above, higher up. Well, all right. It's above us. 423, 423. That is not one of my funded. I switched over to an eval just to see, you know what I'm saying? Like, if it wants to go, we'll take it. But just got stopped out there. I forgot on my last trade in the other account, I sized up. I feel like we're going to go up there and touch that pivot point, being real with you guys. That pivot point looks like it wants to get touched. Are we going to get this bull flag here?
Yeah, that's what I'm watching.
Like we're up here where I'm like, we're getting closer and closer to this pivot.
Yeah, but it's like hitting like 11 and a half, and then it's ticking down.
If we don't get it by 11 o'clock, won't be able to take it because I gotta get ready to get on out of here.
Those candles are so tight, man. It's just like walking like slowly up.
Yep, they're stair stepping. Coming up on 11 o'clock here.
Just wallowing like a sad animal. Like with 416, it just kind of like wah, wah.
Consolidating.
I have a vertical line and I can't punch through it. It's like, come on.
We keep. It wants to. The bulls want to push. There's tons of buying pressure right now. We just gotta break through this little area that we're currently sitting in.
And it's like the Ninja Rankos are showing like a increased volume right now.
Like I want to wait for this, but I gotta get off the street. I gotta get out of here. This is crazy.
Well, set yourself like a definite time.
I'll probably just watch it from my phone.
Oh, I won't say the other word because then we could fill it in.
Well, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. Tonight, Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern.
9:28. That's oddly specific.
Yep, 9:30 tonight. Traders Hangout. I will see all you guys there. It's been a great day with you guys. Hopefully tomorrow we could duplicate the success we had today, tomorrow, and we just keep it moving. With that being said, everyone, I will see all you guys either later tonight or tomorrow on the morning stream. You guys have a great rest of your day.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
All right, guys.